Hola amigos, welcome to High Vibes Travel. My name is Morris and today we're exploring Playa Palmares here in Puerto Vallarta. Beautiful beach here, about 15 minutes from downtown Puerto Vallarta, and we're about the middle of November right now, and the rainy season has completely went away. It's gone. Just like a switch here in Puerto Vallarta. In November, no more rain for the next like 5-6 months practically. Well, that's what happened last year in 2021 anyways. But we're here this beautiful morning here, and we're gonna explore this beach. We're gonna take some drone videos, and maybe we're gonna get a bite to eat. We're not sure, at this restaurant right over here. Probably nice in the evening with the sunset. But yeah, so we're not sure if it's open, so that's why we brought some snacks, a couple of beers as well here at the playa. So join us in this beautiful day here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share. Join us. Gracias. Because we just got out of hurricane season. A lot of rocks on this beach. Like I said, in August, there wasn't that many, but today there's a lot of rocks, and we didn't bring our water shoes. So I'm trying to find if there's another location to go. Well, as you can see, there's jumping fish. Buenas. ¿Posible así? Oysters, ¿eh? ¿Cómo se dice oysters en español?
Ostiones.
Estontes? Wow. Sí. Fresco de la día, ¿eh?
Sí, ahorita.
Fresh fish. Oysters, sorry, from the beach right over here. Muy bien. ¿Cómo se llama?
Nicolás.
Nicolás, mucho gusto. Mauricio.
Mauricio.
Muchas gracias, ¿eh? Beautiful. And todo el día esto aquí?
A veces sí, a veces no.
En veranos más o menos?
Sí, mira, allí.
¿Para allá?
Ahorita.
Over there? Okay, yeah? Wow. Smells de fresco. Smells good, man. Que tengan buen día, ¿eh? Gracias. That's pretty good. That walking down the beach and there's a guy chucking oysters. It's a bit early for oysters for me. 9:30 a.m. but maybe in the afternoon I might try one. We'll see if he's still around or if he's just checking them for himself for the day. I don't know how it works, obviously, but no, it's pretty cool. So we changed spots. Hardly any rocks in this section. And the water should be nice and clear too. Beautiful day here. Got condos or hotels, I'm not sure. It's clear, eh? Look at this. I know. I think. Wow, look how clear it is. Oh yes! Hello birdies! Hello! This feels good.
It smells fishy though.
It smells fishy, the water's clear, it's a beautiful day. That's all that matters. Gotta do a thumbnail. I would like to do a selfie with this bird.
Yeah.
Come here, buddy. Amigos, lovely day here. Not one cloud in the sky. Beautiful. It's like 28, 29. The sun's still not that strong. It's almost 12 p.m., but it's beautiful. You probably saw with the drone shot how clear the water is. I'm actually shocked myself. I know this beach is supposed to be one of the nicest beaches here in Puerto Vallarta, but to be that clear, I'm like, wow, very blessed. Very, very blessed. Sorry, I've been drinking, and also I guarantee you I'll be coming here more often. This beautiful gem right here in Puerto Vallarta, Playa Palmares. The essentials in here. We got limes, we got some cucumber, and we got most important thing, cervezas.
One less.
One less? Oh no, we gotta get some more. And pizza from Costco. Essentials right here. Pizza, beer, a bit of cucumber, and of course a lime for the Pacifico beer. Salud!
Salute.
There he goes. There he is, or she. Oh, this is the closest I've ever been to one. Beautiful. Look at this. Is it clear enough for you guys for Puerto Vallarta? I would say so. Amigos, I hope you enjoyed this video, the short video of Playa Palmares here in Puerto Vallarta. It's been a beautiful day. We didn't have a chance to explore the restaurant, but I'm pretty sure it's open because we heard music from there. Oh. And thanks for watching, and make sure to visit this beach when you guys come to Puerto Vallarta. If you've been to this beach, tell me what you guys think about it. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. That helps with the algorithms as well. Muchas gracias por ver. Oh my god, I'm getting bombarded here by the waves. Muchas gracias por ver. Thank you for watching. Adios.
Every time I stand before a beautiful beach, its waves seem to whisper to me, if you choose the simple things and find joy in nature's simple treasures, life and living need not be so hard.
love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5.